Greetings everyone, I am Emrata. First of all, I'm sorry for my accent because I am not living in USA, in United States. Because of this my accent may be different. Now, today I want to show you, for US citizen, how to buy crypto coin or cryptocurrency equal Bitcoin with easy and safest way. There is a website, Cryptocurrency USA. In this website you can find informations about cryptocurrencies, all cryptocurrencies, top cryptocurrencies, you understand? You can click this area and you can see all cryptocurrencies on the world, all people using this in USA, Asia, Europa and Australia. Now, how to buy Bitcoin? If you click this area, this button, you can get information about Bitcoin. If you click this area, you can go Binance stock market about cryptocurrencies. But if you click this area, there is the free account screen. You can join the Binance so easy, and you have 20% discount code. In this way, when you buy Bitcoin and when you try to sell, you can earn 20% kickback money. Yes, now we enter to Binance. Yes, now we are in Binance. How to buy Bitcoin with USA dollar? It's so easy. We can go this panel and click credit or debit card, for example. In this list, we saw important cryptocurrencies. Can you see? You can click Bitcoin and you can write USA dollar and click to buy. Everything's okay. Now we have Bitcoin. How to sell Bitcoin? We can go market and write this BTC. Yes, we are in Bitcoin market now. We click this area, this button, you can buy Bitcoin. If you click this area, you can sell your Bitcoin. So easy. Buy Bitcoin directly with USA dollar, you can click this area. So easy. And now we turn back to our website. If you want more information about Bitcoin, you can click this info. In this page, you can get information, all information about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, how to buy cryptocurrency videos, video lessons, and discount and referral codes about Binance, Binance.com. You can use this lifetime, don't worry. Everything's so easy. And if you want advice about cryptocurrency, please follow trustly traders informations. I'm not talking about YouTube videos, CNBC, CNN, or other economy channels, programs, TV shows. Many thanks to watch my video. I hope we will meet in next videos about cryptocurrencies. Best regards and wish you a good day. Emre Ata.